Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to fix your iPhone flashlight if it is not working. So, let's get into it. The first thing you have to do is to check if you're using other apps that may disable the flashlight. For example, if I open Messenger and try to take a picture or video, it disables my flashlight. But once I go to my home screen, my flashlight is enabled. If it is still not working, I would suggest restarting your iPhone. You can do that by first pressing the increase volume button, and then after that, press the decrease volume button and then hold your power button until the restart option would show up. So let me demonstrate. I'm gonna press the increase and then decrease and then hold power button. And then, here you go. It shows up and all you have to do is slide it to power off. Another reason why your flashlight is disabled might be because the temperature of your iPhone is too high. If it's too high, your iPhone will disable your flashlight until it cools down. So, I suggest leaving your iPhone in a cool place for it to cool down. If it's still not working, try going to your camera, go to videos, and then turn on the flash icon right here in the top left of your screen. Make sure your iPhone is in a dark area and start recording, and that would enable the flashlight on your iPhone. If it's still not working, just check if your iPhone has an update. To check, go to Settings, after that go to General, and then go to Software Update and check if there are updates. If you find this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.